Hello everyone, my name is Arun Jawla and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am a second year law student pursuing my BLLB degree from Chennai University. Today, I am going to explain an interesting topic on a legal issue which has been recently in news. Gujarat Prohibition Act of 1949 has been challenged in Gujarat High Court. In the last few years, there has been quite a few petitions to remove the liquor prohibition in Gujarat. Ever since in 1949, there has been a complete ban on the sale and purchase of liquor in the state of Gujarat. Even though people coming from other states have been permitted to bring alcohol in a limited amount. Similarly, foreigners are allowed to bring alcohol too. However, the people of Gujarat are prohibited to sale and purchase of alcohol. That is why the petitions are being filed to remove this prohibition. However, in 2021, few counter prohibition petitions has been filed in support of government and against these petitions. Let's discuss in brief what's going on. Gujarat Prohibition Act of 1949. This act puts a complete ban on the purchase of and business of alcohol. The same act is now being challenged in Gujarat High Court. What is the origin of this prohibition? For the first time, the prohibition is seen under the Mumbai Abkari Act of 1878. The act used to put heavy duties on the intoxicants such as alcohol, cigarettes, etc. So, the consumption could be decreased. Few amendments were made. Still, it wasn't very effective. It was stated that it contained many lacunae. That is why government is unable to prohibit this. Then finally in 1949 the Prohibition Act was passed. We have to understand at that time the Gujarat was not a state on its own but a province under the Bombay. In 1960 Bombay was reorganized, which resulted in two different states, Maharashtra and Gujarat. So what we see after this reorganization was Maharashtra followed the policy of liberalization, hence no ban on alcohol. On the other hand, Gujarat adopted more strict attitude towards this prohibition, which resulted in rigidity in law. Only the foreigners and tourists were allowed to have alcohol consumption and sale of alcohol in this state. Now the question arises whether or not this prohibition is working. In 2016, Gujarat government admitted by itself that this prohibition is not working effectively. Hence, few amendments were made so that there can be more rigid and effective rules in the government. Government said it believed that the principle of the Mahatma Gandhi, who firmly intended and willing to eradicate the menace of drinking liquor. Let's talk what and who. First petition was filed in 2018 by Vadodara resident Rajiv Piyush Patel and Dr. Millard Damodar Nene from Allahabad. This petition challenged several sections of Gujarat Prohibition Act of 1949, the Foreign Business Liquor Rules 1953. Let's talk about the latest development. In 2019, 5 more petitions were filed challenging the Prohibition Act of 1949. Similarly, in 2020, 2 more applications were filed. However, these applications were filed supporting the state in continued imposition of the prohibition law. That's all for today. I will keep you updated for the further details. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. This video is sponsored by LEXIS and Company.